Today we will solve this problem. This is an interesting problem. You must attempt this problem one time before watching the solution. So let's start solving the problem. So what is the problem actually? Let O be a point inside a square ABCD such that OA is equal to 10 cm, OB is equal to 6 cm, OC is equal to 14 cm. We need to find the area of the square. So how we will do it? Let's check. First, look at the triangle AOB. Okay. What we will do? We will draw a mirror image of this triangle just outside of the square. Okay, we can do it. So this will be like something like this, right? Okay. This is nothing but the mirror image of AOB. Okay. So this is 6 cm obviously and this is 10 cm obviously. Okay. Now check here. ABCD is a square, right? So AB is equal to BC. Okay, AB is equal to BC. So we can draw this same triangle. But now we will hold BC as the base of this triangle. Okay, that means we are going to draw the same triangle but in the side of BC. We can do it because AB is equal to BC, right? So this will be something like this, right? Okay. Okay. Now let angle ABO is equal to alpha. Okay, angle ABO is equal to alpha. So if I ask you what angle is this, you will say this is also alpha because this is the mirror image, right? So according to that, this angle will also be alpha. Okay. So this is 6 cm and this is 10 cm, right? Okay. This angle is also alpha. Now analyze. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Because ABCD is square, right? So angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. So this angle will be equal to 90 degree minus alpha. Okay. So if I ask you, let this is P point. So if I ask you what angle is OBP, you will say that this is 90 degree minus alpha plus alpha. So that is actually equal to 90 degree, right? So angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. We can replace this by 90 degree. Okay. This is totally 90 degree. I hope that is clear. Now what we will do? We will join O and P point. Okay. Now as angle OBP is equal to 90 degree, as angle OBP is equal to 90 degree, and OB is equal to BP is equal to 6 centimeter. OB equal to BP equal to 6 centimeter. So what will be the value of OP? What will be the length of OP? You will say that this will be 6 root 2 centimeter. Okay. Understand clearly. Okay. Because this is a conceptual question. You should do this type of questions. Okay. So I hope you are clear with the logic of this. OB is equal to BP is equal to 6 centimeter and this is a right angle triangle. So OP is the hypotenuse which is equal to 6 root 2 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do, let this angle is theta. Okay. Let this angle COP is equal to theta. Okay. Now we will apply the cosine rule for angle theta. Before that, let's revise that. If there is a triangle like this ABC, this angle A, this angle B, this is angle C, the length of BC is A, the length of AC is B, and the length of AB is C. So we can apply the cosine rule. So according to that, cos A will be equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC, right? Cos B will be equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2C, and cos C will be equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. You should remember this. Okay. I hope you remembered also already. Okay. Now we will apply the cosine rule for this angle theta. So cos theta will be equal to, first identify the triangle. So the triangle is COP. Okay, the triangle is COP where angle COP is equal to theta. Okay, so cos theta will be equal to OC square, which is 14 square, plus OP square, which is 6 root 2 square, minus CP square, which is 10 square, right? Divided by 2 into 14 into 6 root. I hope that is clear. Okay. So 14 square is 196 plus 6 root 2 square is 72, right? 6 root 2 square is 72 minus 100 divided by, so this will be 168 root 2. Okay. So now let us simplify the numerator. So if we do it here, what it will be? This will be 168 also, right? 168 by 168 root. So this and this will be cancelled out, and what will be left? 1 by root 2 will be left, simply. Clear? So we can take theta is equal to 45 degree because the point is inside the square. Okay, the point is inside the square. So this will be acute angle, positive acute angle. Okay. Okay. Now this angle is 45 degree. Okay. So, and this angle is also 45 degree. We got it? That theta is equal to 45 degree, right? So if I ask you what angle is angle COB, the angle COB is totally 90 degree. 45 degree plus 45 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. So angle COB is equal to angle COP plus angle BOP. So this is 45 degree, we got it, plus this is also 45 degree because you can see that OB is equal to BP and angle OBP is equal to 90 degree. So this will be 45 degree. Okay. So the total angle will be 90 degree. Clear? Now you can see that in triangle BOC, now see the triangle BOC. Okay. In triangle BOC, angle BOC is 90 degree. Angle BOC is 90 degree. If I draw this triangle separately, let me draw it one time. Okay. Only the triangle BOC. I am drawing alternate triangle BOC. Okay. So let me do it. Wait 1 minute. Okay. So BOC. So this angle is 90 degree. We got it, right? Okay. Now OB is equal to 6 centimeter. OB is equal to 6 centimeter. OC is equal to 14 centimeter. Right? We need to find the length of BC. So we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So BC square will be equal to OB square plus OC square, right? So OB square is equal to 6 square, which is 36, plus OC square is equal to 14 square, which is 196. So the answer will be 232 and the into a centimeter square. So you can see that BC square is the area of the square, right? BC square is the area of the square. So we saw that the area of the square is 232 centimeters square. This is the answer of this question. Okay, 232 centimeters. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing design concepts. Thank you for watching the video.